Do you want to know how you can connect your laptop or notebook to your smart TV without any HDMI or network connection? Please watch the video. Hello folks, and welcome to another video from AriaVision. Today I will show you guys how can you connect your laptop to your TV or your notepad to your TV without using Wi-Fi connection. In some case you maybe need Wi-Fi connection, in some case not. Depend on your TV and depend on your laptop. If your laptop has Wi-Fi display chip installed already or inbuilt in your TV, same, so you don't need actually internet connection or Wi-Fi connection on it. So you can just simply without internet connect to your TV. I got actually a new laptop which has Windows 10 on it, so you should add Windows 10, and also a display which is or screen. Let's say the screen that's already have wireless display chip installed on it, so you don't need actually any wire connection to get connected to, or any network to get connected to your display. So I will show you guys. First of all, on your TV you should put that on PC or on some of the Samsung screens. That should be like a screen mirroring or something like that. And if you have LG TV, please just leave a comment. I will find out what is on LG TV, but as I am using the Samsung TV, so I will show you guys how to use that. So go to PC and then choose wireless connection. Okay guys, back to the laptop. It is very simple. Just press Windows plus K and you will get the drop down. From there you have to choose the TV that you want. In my case will be like the 82 version. Okay, so it will just sometime if you're not connecting first to the TV, it will give you pop-up, but as I have already previously connected to this TV, so it will actually connect it directly, so just wait for it. Okay, as you can see that it will trying now around second time. It should now connect it. Okay, so it is now connected to my TV. As you can see, there is it connected. Okay, as you can see that, yeah, I can just use the TV without HDMI cable. And just to prove the point that this laptop is not connected anyway with the cable. So as you can see, it's not connected at all. And there you go. So, and if you want to disconnect it, just very simple. Disconnect, and that's it. Okay, for the people who has older smart TV version which was produced between 2011 and 2016, which is no wireless display, a chip inbuilt, so it means those people need actually connect their smart TV to the network, and also the laptop should be connected to the network, and you still can use that function. So the only thing that you have to actually do, connect both of your devices to the network, and then you still can use the device display option. Okay guys, if you need any help, please do not hesitate to contact me, contact me by leaving your comment below, and do not forget to leave comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.